Breaking news, we just heard opening statements in the Frisco track meet stabbing trial and got our first look at the jury. From their vantage point, our reporters inside the courtroom said at least half of the 18 panelists, 12 jurors, and 6 alternates are women. Several, they report, are people of color, including one woman wearing a hijab. We'll talk about why race has been so important in that jury selection process in just a moment. But first, the opening statement from the prosecution. Prosecutors say Karmelo Anthony, quote, plunged a knife into the chest of Austin Metcalf. They say, quote, this case is not self-defense, and quote, this was simply senseless. Prosecutor says there's surveillance video that shows this and says this was, quote, provoked, unjustified murder. Then the defense attorney Mike Howard talked about Anthony as a son, a brother, a boyfriend, a friend, and a student athlete. And then he said that it was Metcalf who made the first physical contact, grabbing, shoving, pushing Anthony. Right now in court, they're hearing testimony, but let's talk about the racial makeup of the jury and why that's raised so many community concerns over the last 24 hours. The defense yesterday raised a challenge in jury selection, saying prosecutors removed the final 3 people from the jury pool who identified as African American on a form they filled out. The judge ruled prosecutors could remove them from the jury because the state said they removed them because they were all educators, and thus it was not a race-based move. No cameras are allowed in court, and we don't know how people on the jury identify themselves. All we know is what lawyers argued yesterday.